Hey, what's going on? Today we're going to go ahead and talk about how to block certain websites. From time to time you may definitely want to go ahead and just block a couple of websites or whatever if they're distracting you, or for whatever reason you want to go ahead and do so. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this with this Google Chrome add-on. Okay, it's called Block Site. Okay, and I'll go ahead and put the link in the description. Okay, so once you go ahead and click on the link to go ahead and access this add-on, all you do is click that right there where it says add to Chrome. Okay, and then afterwards you go ahead and click that one more time, add extension, and then it should be able to go ahead and take about a minute or so, and there you go, you have the Google Chrome add-on. Now you go ahead and click that right there, and then you're gonna go ahead and click the little nail or thumbtack right there. Okay, so just go ahead and pin it right there, and there you go. That's all you have to do. So we have the Google Chrome add-on. All right, right after you pin it, you're gonna want to go ahead and click on the extension, and then you're gonna want to click right there, agree. Okay, all right, so we have the extension all set up. Now we have to go into the settings right here. So you go ahead and click this right here. Right after you go ahead and click the settings option, it's going to go ahead and throw you right here into like this particular dashboard, so to speak. Okay, now this is where we're going to be able to go ahead and block a particular website. Okay, now before we do that, it also has another option right here where it has the whitelist mode. Okay, now the whitelist mode, it's all the sites will be blocked except the ones that you add right there. So that's a little drastic, but some people may want to go ahead and set it up like that. Okay, but that's totally up to you. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and, let's say we wanted to go and block this one right here, Wikipedia. All right, I don't have anything for this particular website. It's a great site where you go ahead and learn and read a little bit of everything. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show you a quick example. Right now, all you do is just click that right there, your add-on, and then it's pretty self-explanatory. You just go ahead and click that right there, block the site. Then you go ahead and refresh, and bam, nice try, buddy. Okay, because it's blocked. Okay, now let's go right over here into the settings. As you can see that right there, these are where it shows you your blocked sites. Okay, now if you wanted to go ahead and remove it, all you have to do is just click that right there, and it's no longer blocked. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. There you go. Now if you don't want nobody removing sites but you, and you want to have a little more control, then you will have to go ahead and set it up with a password. Okay, you will have to click this option right there, that option right there, and then put your email and then your password. They're gonna go ahead and send you an email. You're gonna have to verify the email, and then right after that, nobody's gonna be able to go ahead and edit the sites that you added to your block list. All right, so that's a pretty good way of keeping control of everything that you want to go ahead and block, and making sure nobody erases that. All right, so right here you also have a couple more options right there. You can go ahead and block certain words, and you can go ahead and customize the page. You can go ahead and put your own text right there. So this is a pretty cool straightforward add-on from Google. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video right here. That's gonna be a quick way to go ahead and add certain to go ahead and block certain pages. Okay, really quick. So please go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, and please go ahead and activate the bell for notifications, and I will see you here in another tutorial here shortly. Peace out.